අද අලුත්ම වැඩසටහනක් කරන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ ස්පාඤ්ඤේ කැනේරි දුපත්වල ටෙනරිෆ් පිළිබඳව එකක් ඒ ගිනිකන්දකුත් තියෙනවා ඒක නක් තියෙනවා. මේකේ වෙනසක් තියෙනවා. ඒ මොකද මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක කරන්නේ මම නෙමෙයි. මගේ පුතා යසස් නිවුන්හල්ල. එයා එංගලන්තේ ඉපදලා හොඳ සිංහල කතා කරන ඒනට ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක කරන්නේ ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන්. මම හිතනවා ඕගොල්ලෝ මේක බලලා රස විඳී කියලා.
Hey guys, my name is Yassas and I'm here with a very special vlog. I've actually booked a flight to Tenerife for my friends and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. Unfortunately, that means my dad won't be in the video, but who knows, maybe that's a good thing. Please like, subscribe and share this video. I really hope you enjoy this.
737-8200 aircraft, please move along the seat in front of you. With the exception of
Hey guys, I'm in Siam Park today in Tenerife. It's known as one of the best water parks in the world. I'm here with the boys. Hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. Behind me is Los Gigantes. I just hired a car and managed to drive from Playa de las Americas. It's a beautiful drive and as you can see the views are amazing. We made a quick pit stop at this little cafe overlooking the huge rock formations. Los Gigantes actually translates to the giants. These rock formations rise from the sea to a height of 500 to 800 meters. This volcano last erupted in 1798, following 2 years of earthquakes. The eruption lasted 92 days, hurling gases and lava fragments over 1,000 meters into the air. After some more driving, we finally reached the highest point the road would take us, which was Mount Teide cable car's lower station, at 2,356 meters above sea level. You can purchase a ticket online to reach the summit in only 8 minutes by cable car. At 3,750 meters above sea level, the summit is the highest point in Spain. Now, you're probably wondering, what about your accommodation in Tenerife? Well, my friends, I saved you the best till last.